When I enrolled in a course Instructional Materials Development with Technology and Values Education, honestly, I initially assumed that it would be simple, just a straightforward discussion about integrating technology into teaching. I thought that it would only revolve around basic tools and digital platforms. However, as the weeks approached and we were in the process of making the lesson plan, I realized that the course demanded far more than learning how to use technology. It required creativity, critical thinking, and a deep understanding of how instructional materials can meaningfully shape students' values. It challenged me to go beyond convenience and instead design materials that are purposeful, engaging, and aligned with the moral development of the learners. I was challenged to look for instructional materials that are genuinely match the activities I had designed. And honestly, that became one of the most difficult parts of the process. I found myself revising and rethinking my activities multiple times just to ensure that everything was aligned. It pushed me to be more intentional, that I have to choose materials not just because they were available or visually appealing, but because they truly supported the learning experiences and reinforced the values I aim to develop. In the end, this course taught me that creating instructional materials is not merely a technical task, but it is a thoughtful and values driven process. It reminded me that every material, every activity, and every decision we make in designing a lesson plan carries the power to influence how students understand and live out the values that we teach. And as I continue my journey as a future values education teacher, I will carry with me the commitment to design learning experiences that are intentional, authentic, and rooted in meaningful values development. This course did not just equip me with the skills, but it shaped me the way I envision myself teaching with purpose and with creativity.